Nate Conkle, he is the conference meet record holder at 152.43. He is in this field.
All right, it's a cross train day, and let me just say, the cross training we're gonna be doing today is not biking, it's not swimming, it's not ellipticoing, it's not ellipticaling. We're gonna play soccer. We got invited to play keeper for an indoor soccer team for a friend of mine, and maybe the cross training aspect of it might not be as high, because we're playing keeper, but we're gonna play anyway, and I'll get some footage of it, because I got some skills in the net. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm excited. Okay, first of all, right, they're playing the #1 team, and they recruited me. So, no, the #1 team in their like little league apparently has been blowing people out of the waters. They're like 93 points above everyone. They're playing them tonight, and I'm like, oh, it would be just fantastic, just the golden piece if we could get the win. So that's what we're gonna try. But to do that, we need some stuff, because I've played soccer here and there, but I don't have like actual gear, like to play like a regulated game. So we need shin guards and we need socks. We're gonna grab those, and yeah, it's tonight, so it's gonna be great. It's gonna be so fun. I'll try to get some footage, but that's gonna be today. We're not gonna run. There's a whole bunch, just an array of things that have gone on in the past 24 to 48 hours that has just ruined everything, which is why there wasn't an upload. Hasn't been an upload in so long. For one, I had 2 tires that popped within the span of 5 or 6 days. Just fantastic. I popped a tire. 4 days, 5 or 6 days later, I got 4 brand new tires. One of them popped in Indianapolis, which is like 5 hours away from where I am. Just splendid. We love that. And so, yeah, basically, like, had a detour. Couldn't really do anything. Didn't have Wi-Fi, so I couldn't edit the videos, which is why I didn't upload. And just a lot. Just a good amount of a lot. So we're here now. As far as the leg goes, I'll give you an update. I still think in the back of my mind it's a labral tear, which is scary because that requires surgery. But I'm able to do way more than I was before my injection, the hamstring one. I don't feel the sciatic nerve pain, which is like it's huge. But the problem I'm feeling is like a deep pain. That's my worry, is that's the labral tear. That's what I'm feeling. So I don't know. We're gonna keep trudging though, and we're gonna try to run tomorrow. We'll see how it goes. So, okay, let's head in. We're gonna get some shin guards and some socks. All right, what do they got here? I see socks. Oh, do they not have shin pads? Oh, they do, but oh, they're massive. You know what else is massive? Okay, they have socks, but they don't really have shin guards. They have 1 pair of shin guards. I have shin guards. They're just at they're at my apartment, and I'm not driving an hour to do that. Yeah, these will be fine. All right, and then we have socks and the guards. Let's go.
Watch back close. Watch wide. Open up. Good try. Crossbar. Good save, keeper. Great save. Holy shit. Go. save, keeper. Subs if you need. Good save. You got man coming. Get back. Good save, keeper.
Push him right, push him right.
Well, I'm exhausted, and that was a little bit rough. I can't lie. Look, right, the last time I actually played keeper for like legit, was probably like freshman year of high school, so like 8 years ago. It's not an excuse, all right, not an excuse. I'm just saying that's not my main position on the field, so on the pitch. So, but yeah, that was rough. I feel like I did pretty good. I did all right for what I was supposed to do, but I definitely let, I would say a good 4 past me that I could have saved. The problem was, right, like our team wasn't scoring. We lost like 11-2, bro. And like I was doing what I could, right? I was saving a good few, but our team just wasn't scoring. We had just lazy shots on goal. Lazy shots. We had a good few that were like low. And then the way Soccer Zone works is there's walls, so it can ricochet off the wall and you can put it back in. And, you know, it would ricochet. And we just had no one there. No one there. So, yeah, it was a little bit rough. I wish that we could have at least tied them. That was the #1 team in the league. So, super sad. But, oh well. I mean, you saw the highlights and the lowlights of my performance. I tried to run the ball up. Every time there was like 2 or 3 of their guys down on our side, like I am faster than all of those guys combined. So I'm like, I'm a keeper. I can roll it to myself. I can sprint down and I can get a shot on goal. But we just like, I just couldn't get anything to fall, and I got burned a few times. All right, I did. I got burned. I took the ball out, started running. One defender to beat, messed it up, and then they would get a goal off it. So there was a few times where I did that, and I did save it. But yeah, not my greatest performance. So it was good though. I'm exhausted. You know, on purpose. I feel like if I just stayed in goal, I would have been fine. But I kept trying to run the ball up. But every time I did that, our team just got more and more tired, and our team does not have any cardio. No endurance. Our team is non-endurance, and yeah, it burned us. So yeah, it was fun, and I do feel a little bit bad. You know, I think I should have saved a little bit more for them, or maybe I just should have stayed in goal. But it is what it is, you know. And so we're gonna head back home. Thanks for watching this cross training. My leg felt good. All right. I mean, that's honestly like part of the video, right? my leg felt okay. I didn't feel too much pain. Now it's soccer, so I'm not really moving around. Maybe a little bit of sprinting would aggravate it, but it didn't. So we're good. We're gonna try to run tomorrow. Again, I need to strengthen that right side. Like, that's still the main issue, but we'll do that tomorrow. Thanks for watching. If there's something after this, you know, I put a little highlight edit in there for you at the end. I don't know. We'll splish splash edit fest. All right, peace.